City officials plan to clear a large South Minneapolis homeless encampment very soon. It all follows a viral outbreak there late last week that sent at least one person to the hospital. This would be the second closure of that camp, which is now at 14th Avenue and 26th Street. This is actually just a few blocks south of its original location. The city closed that one earlier this month. The city told our Renee Cooper about the plans to close this one, and she joins us live outside that encampment tonight to explain their reasoning. Renee.
Paul, the city is still monitoring the situation here at the encampment tonight. They have an epidemiology team working they're just monitoring the outbreak here. We learned about this from an internal email I obtained between city leadership alerting of a GI virus or stomach flu outbreak over the weekend. I'm told 20 to 30 cases were here in all, and one person was treated and then released from the hospital. Weeks after the original Camp Ninnekahsee was cleared and a second, smaller version popped up down the street, Minneapolis city officials were alerted to a virus outbreak at the camp on Thursday. What was the source of it?
That we don't know. This is norovirus season. It is, and we're not 100% sure it's norovirus, but that would be consistent with what the symptoms are, which is generally caused by food.
Deputy Commissioner of Health Heidi Ritchie says they've dropped off a number of supplies, including new porta potties, and there have been no new cases since Friday.
We're less concerned as we were when we first found out about it, but that's only because we were able to get in there and implement those interventions.
We've been working really hard to ensure the health of everyone here. And we've been doing that since August when we first came together.
Camp organizer Kristen Crabtree says they've been asking for help.
We've been working for a long time to get bathrooms, and that took months.
Back in December, when the city set a date to clear the original camp, officials cited the potential for such outbreaks as a reason.
There are public safety issues.
As of Monday, City Operations Officer Margaret Anderson Kelleher says there's not an official date, but the city will soon shut down this location, too.
Whatever size of that encampment is there's a multitude of public health risks.
We have not been notified of any specific timing, just that it might happen, which is anxiety inducing. The chances are the camp will end up just moving again. That is not a solution.
The city says the virus does not pose a risk to anybody who does not live in the encampment itself. In another new development today, Anderson Kelleher tells me the city is considering dedicating some land to a healing center, as camp organizers and residents here have been asking for. Now, beyond the transfer of land, this would not be a city-funded project, but all of this is very, very preliminary at this point. In Minneapolis, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.